What's up, guys? Welcome back to Collecting and Hobbies, and welcome again to another first person in the world to find it. No, just kidding. Well, almost. A friend of mine and somebody who just recently posted before I even got to do the video because I forgot about it because it was in the middle of the night when my friend texted me. He found Stridor from the Origins figures. And if you want to know where he found it, I'll tell you in just a second. But it wasn't supposed to come out, a lot of people said, till like January or December or something. I can tell you right now that from what I've heard, Toy Wiz will probably be the first ones to ship it out for those of you who pre-ordered it. And they should probably start shipping it in December, I'm hoping. But for those of you who didn't get in on that pre-order, and if you're lucky enough, there's not very many of these stores around, but there are a few, especially in California, because that's where we found it, of course. Always in California first. Stridor is available at the Mattel store. If that's where you want to go and look. I heard each store got like a case of 2 of them or something. And so there's already a couple of people listing it on Mercari or however you say it. I don't know what it's called. But I saw that in a post and I was like, oh, I forgot to tell people. But anyway, I wasn't sure if I was going to do a video on it anyways, but so if you guys are looking for them, if you want to try to find them, if you didn't get in on that early online order, then go to your Mattel store. They're only getting a couple at a time, supposedly. So be the first one there. I think they're open on Thursday, Fridays, and Saturdays or something like that from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I don't know about the New York stores. Probably the same thing. But last time when something came out real early was the Wave 7 action figures. Those were found in California Mattel stores and also in New York. So as far as I know, those are the only 2 places you can get them. But and I don't know how many Mattel stores are around in the United States. I think they're just in California and New York. I don't know. But that's where they're being found. So there's the news. Hope you guys find them, and see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.